The Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara-palike BBMP has issued a notice imposing a ban on the sale of meat, fish and other non-vegetarian items within a 13-kilometer radius of the Air Force Station in Yelahanka, where the Aero India 2025 show is scheduled to be held. The restriction will be in effect from January 23, 2025 to February 17, 2025. The Aero India 2025 show, a significant event, is slated to take place at the Air Force Station Yelahanka from February 10 to February 14, 2025. To ensure a smooth and safe conduct of the event, the BBMP has instructed all proprietors of meat stalls and non-vegetarian hotels, restaurants within the specified area to cease operations during the mentioned period. This prohibition applicable to both the sale of meat, chicken, fish and the serving of non-vegetarian dishes aims to comply with safety measures under the BBMP Act 2020 and Rule 91 of the Indian Aircraft Rules 1937. Any violations of this order will result in strict legal action. Residents and business owners are urged to cooperate to facilitate the success of Aero India 2025 while ensuring compliance with the regulations.